modding.
Really dig.
Run!
Hey man, you get tagged, please. Ah! Shit! No, I can go back this way. Big booty Latinas.
Lava Monkey, I'm coming down the rope. I'm modding. Lava Monkey, I'm modding.
You're modding? Nice.
I'm modding.
Bro, that's so cool that you're modding.
I'm modding. What's your name? Get away from me!
I don't feel like doing that though. No, that takes so long. No, bro just got sniped.
Like, I'm in a fear.
I'm modding.
Not modding.
I'm modding.
Hey, Squid Hat, get bubble gunned.
Hey, no, you get bubble gun. You get bubble gun. Coconut.
Oh shit.
Coconut, get back here.
I'm modding.
Where'd he go? You get bubble gun. Coconut, can I show you something? I'm gonna show you
Sure.
a trick. Look, watch me. Stay right there. Watch me. There.
The lava monkey's over there, be careful. Nice.
I mean, you want me to
Man,
go
I want to do that.
You want me
I'm
to go higher?
I mean, I'm gonna try it real quick, but like,
I'm modding.
yeah, I figured as much.
I'm
You
modding.
want me to go higher?
Sure.
You gotta get like from the bottom. You look up here. Up. Look up.
Bruh, he ruined it.
You gotta go from like like lower and then you'll like
Hold on.
Yeah.
Look,
you'll
stay right
whip
there. Watch.
yourself up.
Yeah, I'm not good with the rope tricks or anything.
Yo, what
Oh, we got tagged people coming.
I'm modding. I go back. I'm modding.
To Montana, man.
Okay.
To Montana. Golden Hat, I was behind you the whole time.
I saw that coconut.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Stay there.
Just gonna go over here. Hi, how are ya?
Yo, coconut.
Pretty decent.
Coconut, you want to see me go
I'm
higher?
saving up to buy.
Yeah.
Right now.
Stay there.
I've got a unicorn.
Dang.
I just need 10 more days and then I can get the
You a unicorn?
bubblegum.
Nah, I got it, bro. I got it. I don't got it. I don't got it. Oh, shit.
Coconut, I'm gonna actually do it this time.
Oh, that's a lot
I'm
better.
gonna actually do
Yeah, I
it this
did.
time. Watch, coconut.
Yo, we have a lava
And
monkey
he's
coming.
gonna ruin it. He ruined it.
Where?
I did it.
Yo, coconut.
Oh, there's lava monkey.
Oh, shit.
I'm not gonna take anyone.
Did I just accidentally juke him? Yo, I just accidentally juked you. My bad.
Coconut, no, coconut. I wasn't even Coconut.
Yeah, I'm watching. Yeah, go.
He's got a clear eagle eye view.
Nice. I couldn't do that if I tried, because I already have. And I failed.
Watch it. Guys, I'll grab the rope.
Nope, going the other way, going back around. Do 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 do.
Pat, what are you doing?
Oh.
Oh god.
Oh my gosh, you scared me.
Good. You know what else is scary? Run! Run! What are we running? Run!
What was that?
Eye to eye with danger.
Yes, sir. Hi. I want you to go as high as you physically can. No, I wasn't paying attention. Ow. Hold on a second, let me get to a safe spot. Oh my god. Damn it.
Alright, come here, Coconut.
I can see you from here.
Alright,
Monkey.
I need to wait for them. Hold up.
Alright. Bro, I'm supposed to have a defogging cover. Yeah, that's really doing its job.
Welcome to town.
Right?
I think you just live in New York.
I don't live in New York.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I live in Kentucky.
Exactly. You don't know 'cause you can't see.
I could go higher.
Nice. Ali Akbar!
Somebody come after me.
Yeah, you better swim fast.
No!
Ah! Yeah.
Not a big deal!
Where's the last kid, my dude?
I don't know, my dude.
I see him. I missed the zip line. Ah.
Where are we seeing?
I see Batman.
Dude, for like 2 years.
Are you kidding? I missed. Kill his ass. Oh, shit. Frickin'. Why are my lenses fogging up even with frickin' day vloggers? Friggin' heck. Ah, where's my hand? Ah. Oh my gosh, it's already fogging up again. Ah, screw me. Ah. Where is this kid? Oh, hey, bro.
Hang their ass.
Chris?
360.
Mira.
Here.
Skadoinkers! Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good.
That's not good.
Oh, leave me alone, please. Oh, that's not nice. You're dead. Ah.
Yes, come on.
Oh, I can't. Yo, Sharky, what's good, my man's? Nah. legit tripping if you think I'm gonna let that slide. Hi! No! Get over here! Oh shit. That's not supposed to happen. That's not supposed to happen. Ah! Where are they?
Hey, Coconut, you want me to go higher?
Yes. Nice. You're gonna be it. Oh.
I want to be it. I want her to eat.
Uh-oh. Yo, the fireworks! I've not seen the fireworks in here. Whoa! I've not seen the fireworks in here yet. I've seen them in every other. I've seen them in city and in forest, but I've not seen them in here. Yeah, I don't care that you tagged me.
You suck, bro. You have to tag someone watching fireworks. It's sad.
That's cool, and I'm glad I'm recording.
Yay. I'm the end of your video. Subscribe to this guy because he's cool.
Yeah, I'm pretty cool. Like, you guys heard it first yourselves. Like, you guys really should subscribe. I can't see shit right now, dude. Like, who needs double eye patch? Just make your lenses fog up and there you go. Like, I literally can't see anything. I'm hoping I'm jumping where I should, because, like, my vision's lowered down to, like, 10% out of 100. There you are! Bro, I AC 130. I can't say anything. There he is! Ah! What the fuck? No! You know what? I can still do it too! No, I can't. Bro, stop waking up in a new Bugatti! No! I nearly got you too! Ah! Ah.
Bad name, bitch.
Huh?
No, are you a G?
Pretty much. I'm not like OG like this. I'm early access and stuff like that. I joined in Halloween 2022. That monkey! You're mine! Yeah! No, I missed! I still missed! I suck at this game! Come here, please. Bro, I can't see anything.
Just get me. I'm not gonna get away.
Sure.
I don't think you guys are doing it right.
I'm just swimming.
Oh,
I'm probably old player in this line.
Oh, shit. I'm next to something! Please! Have mercy! Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. It was nice meeting all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Or night. Goodbye.
No!
Okay, wow, I can't see anything like at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I think that's my phone real quick. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, I need to stop recording.